Good morning, all. Hello, dear students. I am Professor Nidima Gadge from Nutan College of Engineering and Research, and today we will discuss about first unit of our thermodynamics, that is fundamental concept and definitions. So the content of these units are introduction to thermodynamics, then thermodynamic systems, thermodynamic equilibrium, quasi-static process, macroscopic versus microscopic viewpoint, work and heat transfer, work transfer and other types of works, heat transfer, temperature and its measurement, in which we also see the principle of measurement, various instruments, etc. Then zeroth law of thermodynamics, specific heat and latent heat, point function and path function. So let us start with the introductory part of this unit, that is introduction to thermodynamics. So in introduction to thermodynamics, first of all we see what is the word thermodynamics means. Okay, so thermodynamics is basically a Greek word. Okay, in Greek, therm means heat. Okay, and dynamics means power. So combinedly, it is a thermodynamics means heat power. Okay, so that is what the meaning of thermodynamics in Greek word. It is called as a thermodynamics, but in meaning it is heat power. Okay, by meaning it is a heat power. So now what is the thermodynamics? Thermodynamics means what? So the definition of the thermodynamics in the technical manners is the science that deals with energy interaction, that is heat and power, work and the effect of energy interaction on the physical properties of the system. Okay, so this is the basic definition of the thermodynamics. Okay, it is a science that deals with energy interaction, मतलब दो या दो से ज़्यादा एनर्जी का इंटरेक्शन होता है, either it may be heat or power. Okay, and the effect of this energy interaction on the physical properties of the system. Okay, so convert heat in power or generate heat from power. This is the interaction between two form of energy. So this is the introductory part, basic definitions of thermodynamics. Now, next, here we can see what is the energy. Okay, we talk about the energy interaction in thermodynamics definition. So what is the energy? So energy is nothing but the capacity to do work. It is defined as the capacity to do work, and it is the easy and fundamental definition of energy. If we have more energy, you do more work. अगर आपके पास ज़्यादा energy है, you can do more work. Okay, so that is what the energy concept. Okay, energy concept is the capacity to do work. आपके पास ज़्यादा energy होंगी, आप ज़्यादा काम कर सकते हो. Now, principle of conservation of energy. So the conservation of energy, we know the basic definition of this. That is, we know energy can neither be created nor be destroyed. It can be only converted from one part of energy to another form. So that is, energy can convert in any form of work. Okay, any type of energy will be converted into some another type of energy or work. Then what is power? So power is what? It is rate of doing work. मतलब आप कितने स्पीड से या कितने रेट से आप वर्क करते हो, that is what the power. Okay, so as we discuss about the thermodynamics definition, that it is the science that deals with energy interaction, that is heat and power. So the simple definition of thermodynamics, that is, it is a study of three E's. Okay, E for energy, which convert energy from one form to another. Second E is based on the entropy, which measures of randomness of any system. And third E is for equilibrium, that is a thermal equilibrium. So there are three types of equilibrium we have to see in the thermodynamics. That is a mechanical equilibrium. Summation of all forces is zero. When we talk about the mechanical equilibrium, its meaning is what? When we apply the forces on any system, okay, so the summation of all that forces will be zero, means two opposite forces are equal in values, okay, so that the summation of that forces will be zero. Then chemical equilibrium means what? The chemical composition of the any system, okay, after so chemical composition of any system is same, okay, after reaction. The reaction, after reaction, the changes will be not happen in the chemical substance, that is called as a chemical equilibrium. For example, if we added heat in the water, it will be converted into vapor, but the chemical composition of vapor will be as it is, that what of the water, okay. And third one is the thermal equilibrium condition. So thermal equilibrium condition is what? The same temperature of two different bodies when they are in physical contact with each other. मतलब दो बॉडी अगर एक दूसरे के कांटेक्ट में आती है और उनका दोनों का टेम्परेचर अगर सेम होता है, that condition is called as a thermal equilibrium condition. Okay, next one is the thermodynamic approach. So what is a thermodynamic approach? So basically two type of approach are there. One is a microscopic and another one is a macroscopic approach. So when we talk about the microscopic approach regarding the thermodynamics, we have to study of average behavior of molecules constituting the matters. I mean, very small molecules are there, okay, and we have to study at the molecular level. Deep में हमको जब हम study करते हैं, that approach is called as a macroscopic approach, and that thermodynamics is called as a statistical thermodynamics. Whereas a macroscopic approach means what? When matter is not studied at molecular level, okay, it will be the thermodynamic study at overall factors, okay, not in the deep, but we study the overall, okay, that type of approach is called as a macroscopic approach of thermodynamics, and that's thermodynamics is called as a classical thermodynamics, okay. So in our next lecture we see the boundary, system and surrounding.